Crayola Light-Up Tracing Pad, shine bright, trace right, the ultimate drawing sidekick for kids. Light up your child's creativity with the Crayola Light-Up Tracing Pad in blue, the ultimate gateway to artistic fun. Featuring powerful LED lighting, this tracing pad makes it ridiculously easy for kids to trace and bring their favorite images to life. With 35+ art supplies, including pencils, tracing sheets, and blank pages, this kit transforms budding artists into tracing pros, building skills and confidence in a fun, interactive way. Unlike ordinary drawing tools, the Crayola Light-Up Tracing Pad boasts an ultra-thin, lightweight design with a no-slip frame for hassle-free creativity. The uniform lighting is gentle on young eyes, but bright enough to make tracing effortless, even in dimly lit rooms. From sketching and 2D animation to expressive lettering, this pad inspires kids to explore endless artistic styles, delivering pro-level results with every stroke. What makes it a must-have? It's a creative powerhouse on a budget. Skip the pricey art classes and messy supplies, this kit has everything kids need to dive into the world of art at home or on the go. Plus, with over 100 traceable images online, the fun never stops. Whether for solo play or group projects, the Light-Up Tracing Pad doubles as a great classroom tool, fostering interaction and collaboration. Durable, portable, and powered by 3 AA batteries, sold separately, this tracing pad is built to keep up with your child's boundless imagination. It's not just a toy, it's a reliable, high-quality tool that stands out for its ease of use and versatility. The LED lights are energy efficient, the materials kid-safe, and the design practically unbreakable, making it a gift that's built to last. Perfect for birthdays, holidays, or just because, the Crayola Light-Up Tracing Pad is a standout among kids' art supplies. Watch their eyes light up as they create detailed masterpieces with precision and ease. Whether your little Picasso is 6 or 8, this tracing pad offers endless fun and artistic growth. Don't wait, give the gift of glowing creativity today.